Hey guys, it's Joey, and today I thought I would bring you a quick plan for this next week for April 5th. And I'm going to be using a Sweet Kawaii Designs kit. This is for the entire month, but I'm just going to be doing the first, well, I guess basically the second week of April. So if that sounds like something that you guys would like, then stick around. All right. We are going to start off with the very first. What I'm going to do actually is I'm going to lay down every single date cover that I have and all the dates ahead of time. And because that does tend to be kind of a tedious, long process for all Hobonichi kits that I have, you know, it takes a long time to put down every single number for the month. So I'm going to go ahead and lay down each one of my, I can never get these right, never get them straight, guys. So anyways, I'm going to put that down, put down all the numbers, and then I'm going to come back and lay down the rest of the week. All right, so I was able to lay down all of my date covers and all the dates, and so now I'm going to go through and lay down each one of these quarter boxes on each of the days, and I like to put them at the top of each of the days, and I do go through and just kind of like lay them down in the order that they come in. That way every single week is like a rainbow. Anyways, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish laying down each one of these. When I get down to the weekend, I do put them towards the bottom of the box rather than the top, because I have you'll see here in a second these little sunshine scallops that I'm going to lay across the top to kind of separate out the weekend. And I'm kind of debating on like where do I want to lay it down, but I end up laying it there. And then I also am going to go through and find my thick washi, and I'm going to lay that down next. And once I get finished doing that, I can't remember if I do my checklists and my schedule. It's actually, I mean, it's a schedule sticker, but I use it for my weekly steps. And yeah, this one, sorry, you can hear my family downstairs. So I use this sticker actually instead of scheduling for work or what have you. I use it for my steps and for keeping track of whatever workouts that I have throughout the week. So now I'm just going to go ahead and lay down the thin washi at the top. And I do love, love, love Sweet Kawaii Designs. But after the month of April, I will, oh my goodness, you guys, I will go through and show you how many kits I have. I bought this cover off of Mercari, I think it was, and they basically included, I want to say like 20 or more packs of stickers for the weeks for the Hobonichi week. So it was a Hobonichi weeks cover from Foxy Fix, and inside of it she had multiple sticker kits for the weeks themselves. She obviously must not be using the weeks anymore, and that's why she got rid of it all. But I now have so many weeks stickers kits that I don't really need a subscription anymore. Not to say that I won't get a Sweet Kawaii Designs subscription or sticker kit or what have you to use in my Hobonichi weeks, but I just don't need a subscription anymore for just the weeks itself. I did end up changing my subscription over though to a Hobonichi, no, scratch that, the Itty Bitty. Oh yeah, as you can see, I'm putting down the weekend banner. Our puppy right now is being crated. She's very mad. Sorry. Anyway, so the weekend banner, I'm just sticking down there. And then I do have these tracking stickers that I'm going to use for both journaling and for devotions. Then I'm going to go at the top and do like these little scalloped to do, or you know, checklist boxes or what have you, whatever. You know what I'm trying to say. Words are hard today. But these are just going to be for my to-dos for the week. And some people like to do a to-do every day. I just find that I don't really need that. So I'm just going to lay down 3 of those and have that for the whole week. And that's pretty much everything. I do have a few other stickers I'm going to lay down. I do have a payday that's coming up, and so I will find one of my payday stickers. These are the itty bitty size, and so I am off on Monday because we, my district and my children's school district both took the Monday after Easter off, so I am going to mark that. It is also my youngest son's birthday on Monday, so I'm just going to mark that with a birthday cake. And I also marked, or I'm sorry, birthday present. I also marked that we were just going to be at home as a family on Monday together. And let's see, I marked that we have, that I have a payday throughout the week. I also wanted to use one of these big stickers. I think they're so cute. And I felt like the chick in the egg is appropriate because it's so close to Easter. It's like right after it, so I thought that would be good. I do go back on the week that I'm on, and I lay down my subscription kit sticker. She gives you one in all of your little freebies where it shows you like the day that the script sticker renewal is, and then also the day that it's shipped out. So I put those down, and that's pretty much all I have left for this week. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and take care. I'll see you soon. Bye.